Kiswahili for beginners. Nouns and plurals. Part 4. Noun class ki-vi. Chakula, food. Chakula, food. Vyakula, food. Vyakula, food. Kikapu, basket. Kikapu, basket. Vikapu, baskets. Vikapu, baskets. Kijiko, spoon. Kijiko, spoon. Vijiko, spoons. Vijiko, spoons. Kiazi, potato. Kiazi, potato. Viazi, potatoes. Viazi, potatoes. Kisu, knife. Kisu, knife. Visu, knives. Visu, knives. Kiseyeye, toothache. Kiseyeye, toothache. Viseyeye, toothaches. Viseyeye, toothaches. Kikombe, cup. Kikombe, cup. Vikombe, cups. Vikombe, cups. Kipawa, small wooden spoon. Kipawa, small wooden spoon. Vipawa, small wooden spoons. Vipawa, small wooden spoons. Chumba, room. Chumba, room. Vyumba, rooms. Vyumba, rooms. Kitanda, bed. Kitanda, bed. Vitanda, beds. Vitanda, beds. Kioo, mirror. Kioo, mirror. Vioo, mirrors. Vioo, mirrors. Kiuno, waist. Kiuno, waist. Viuno, waists. Viuno, waists. Kifua, chest. Kifua, chest. Vifua, chests. Vifua, chests. Kiti, chair. Kiti, chair. Viti, chairs. Viti, chairs. Kiatu, shoe. Kiatu, shoe. Viatu, shoes. Viatu, shoes. Kijiti, stick. Kijiti, stick. Vijiti, sticks. Vijiti, sticks.